Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by checking local noise and emissions laws before modifying the Accord to avoid fines and failed inspections. Measure the stock sound level, typically about 70 dB, so you can track changes after each mod. Plan a safe target, usually 85-95 dB, and avoid overstepping residential or roadway limits. Document required emissions equipment if your state requires catalytic converters. Gather basic tools, 3/8 ratchet 2, 5-inch exhaust clamps, penetrating oil, jack stands, and safety glasses before proceeding. Begin with the exhaust, upgrade to a 2.5-inch catback system and a high-flow muffler to increase volume while preserving drivability. If legal, a resonator delete or high-flow resonator will add rasp and mid-range presence without drastically harming torque. Use stainless steel clamps torqued to about 35 ft-pounds and replace any rusted hangers. Add a cold air intake to increase induction sound and slight volume under acceleration. Expect a noticeable intake whoosh, but keep your intake filter serviceable and dry. For maximum sound, install short headers or a high-flow midpipe to improve exhaust flow and deepen tone, but confirm catalytic converter requirements first. After hardware changes, use a professional ECU tune to adjust fueling and timing, preventing check engine lights and protecting the engine. Recheck sound level and emissions, aiming for the planned 85-95 dB target and ensuring you stay within legal limits. Finally, road test for leaks. Tighten clamps to 35 ft-pounds and double-check hanger integrity for a durable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.